Hi guys, today I'm going to tell about Bliss e-learning platform software in detail. Bliss e-learning platform software by Danny at the June plus OTO upsell download is fully automated Udemy like e-learning platform plus 100 plus done for you softwares in 50 profitable niches. Bliss to start selling and making money immediately without having to create anything yourself. In a nutshell, Bliss's reviews the worldwide e-learning market is subjected to be worth $325 billion in 2025. The worldwide e-learning platform market is projected to be worth $398 billion by 2026, and it's no secret that courses are the hottest thing going. Experts believe that the pandemic has sped up the adoption of technology in education by up to 10 years, and this change is reversible. The e-learning platform Academy has raised $150 million from Facebook and other investors recently, increasing their valuation to $1.4 billion. This e-tech app has over 30 million registration users. In order to do that, you obviously need things that you can sell. And we have got more than covered with 25 done for you video courses and 25 skill niches that you can start with right now. Don't even have to set up any of them up. They are already ready to go in a matter of minutes with zero setup time on your part. Of course, you can adjust them, add your own or others as well. Bliss Upsell comes jam packed with these amazing features benefits. Quiz and certificates. Bliss supports advanced quiz and live classes. Live classes instructors can sell their own live class on Bliss. Bliss download supports Zoom, Jitsi, and Google Meet live classes link. Browse course portals. Students browse the course portals and choose what to learn. Filter courses. Browse close courses in filtering criteria like category, price level, language, and rating. Course page. Course detail page contains course summary, lessons, list, instructor details, rating with reviews, purchase, and link. Advanced course playing page well organized with lessons and sections. Course type preview, duration, full screen view, lesson completion mark available for students, and many more features. You can earn money by different methods like advertising, gamification badges, registration days, courses, purchases, ratings, etc. When users achieve them, you can award them a free charge or an extra commission. Create your own beautiful learning sites and sell courses online in minutes. The potential of this is a $374 million industry is not hidden from anyone. So that means a steady increase in your profit with each passing year. And you can get to ditch the tiring work of creating courses, uploading them, collecting payments, handling a huge team, and all sorts of mundane things. This platform is packed with lots of awesome features like online courses, live classes, quizzes, and an advanced certification plugin based on real business needs. You can start your own online business, education business right now. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I will send you the ebook link. I have attached the website link in my description box. Bliss comes jam packed with these amazing features benefits. The first is the quiz and certificates. Next is live classes. The third is the browse course portal. The fourth method is filter courses. The fifth one is course pages. The sixth one is course lesson players. The seventh one is for quiz for students. Eighth one is the course progress follow up review course. The ninth one is course wish list, and the 10th one is purchase course using code. 11th one is course manager. 12th one is instructor sales reporter, and the 13th one is course wish list and purchase. 14th one with purchase course using code. You can earn money by different methods like advertising, gamification, beautiful learning sites, 100 plus hot done for your courses in 50 skill niches. You start selling immediately without having to create anything yourself. Easily add your own courses in matter of minutes, all in one platform with build up in marketplace. Start your own e-learning business and become an authority in any niche in record time. The Bliss comes with these amazing benefit features: the quiz and certificate, live classes, browse course portal, filter courses, course pages, course lesson players, and the quiz for students, course progress follow up, course wish list, purchase course using course manager, instructor sales report, course wish list, course purchase course using course manager, instructor sales report, requesting a payout, instructor payout settings, internal messaging, profile management. So you can earn money by different methods. So Bliss e-learning platform software is fully automated Udemy like learning platform plus 100 plus done for you courses in 50 profitable niches. Bliss is your own profitable Udemy like platform with 100 plus DFY courses in 50 profitable niches to making money on without having to create anything yourself. This does everything for you basically. So basically you are saving more than $10,000 for just building and maintaining your own platform. You get to ditch the tiring work of creating software, uploading them, collecting payment, handling a huge team, and all sorts of mundane things. Never heard of a better deal? Make unreal profitable profits while making unreal savings. Bliss is life changing in every sense of the word, and you can turn your profit graph and from downside up. This platform is packed with lots of awesome features like online courses, live classes, quizzes, and an advanced certification plugin based on real business needs, so you can start your own online business right now. So start your online business right now. So if you have given the description link, website link in the description box, if you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID and send me a payment screenshot that you have purchased the product through my link, and I will send you the ebook link. Thank you.